Pelancong asing yang datang ke Malaysia selalunya pulang dengan satu tanggapan yang sama. Mereka kata orang Malaysia ramah, murah senyum, baik hati, mudah mesra. Dan ya, semua itu betul. Tapi dalam pujian itu, ada satu perkara penting yang mereka sebenarnya belum faham sepenuhnya, kerana apa yang mereka lihat di luar tidak selalu sama dengan apa yang orang Malaysia simpan di dalam. Pelancong melihat kita senyum walaupun penat. Mereka lihat kita tenang walaupun beratur lama. Mereka lihat kita gelak walaupun harga naik. Lalu mereka fikir orang Malaysia ni chill. Apa yang mereka tak nampak ialah cara kita menyimpan perasaan. Cara kita memilih diam. Cara kita menahan diri demi menjaga suasana. Bagi orang luar, ini nampak seperti sikap santai. Tapi bagi kita, ini adalah hasil didikan, budaya dan cara hidup yang panjang ceritanya. Video ini bukan untuk kata pelancong salah. Bukan juga untuk kata orang Malaysia paling betul. Tapi untuk menjelaskan satu perkara. Ada banyak tentang orang Malaysia yang hanya boleh difahami bila kau hidup lama di sini, bukan sekadar melancong. Jadi sebelum kita terus bangga dengan pujian orang Malaysia baik, jom kita faham dulu apa sebenarnya yang orang luar masih belum nampak.
I like Malaysia. It's been a great experience so far. The people I met here have been absolutely amazing. People treated me so well. And besides that, the people here have great English. They speak English very well. You know, you can understand them. People are very nice, at least the ones that I met. Now, the other reason is the city. Unlike most cities that I've been in, has a lot of greenery. A lot of trees, for me at least, is not common to see. I spent a few days in Bangkok. It was nice and all, but air quality is pretty low. As opposed to here, like the air is very breathable. You would not expect that when you come here. It's so developed. In fact, I don't think we have anything like that in Europe, like with modern buildings and all that. We might have, but still, this is a great place. So, I'm impressed. Malaysia, that impressed me, and I was truly impressed. That really stuck with me. When I saw younger people would greet older people, for example, me, if I were to greet someone who's 60, 65, 70, if I were Malaysian, I would take their hand, not just shake it, but take their hand and kiss it, or take their hand and touch it with my forehead. When I saw it, I was deeply impressed. Really beautiful to see. Every young person would do that. It was really refreshing to see how they pay respect to their elders. There are maybe other things which are controversial for some people, or some people will find it controversial. I observed this. Men would sit at the table, and then their woman would go and bring food, bring plates with food and put them in front of them. You can say whatever you want about this. I enjoyed that, not because the men were served and the women are slaves to the men or anything like that, because I could see the women did not mind and they were actually happy to do so. That's what I think. Women would consider this here as being a way to cherish their men, a way to show respect to their men. And on the other hand, I'm sure the man is respecting their woman as well. I like that. It's good to recognize that men and women have different roles, but at the same time, one is not less valuable than the other. But it's not only this, it's also the way I have been treated. Let me tell you, I was treated like a king. I must say that Malaysians are very hospitable. See you in the next video.
Salah satu perkara utama yang pelancong asing tak faham ialah cara orang Malaysia mentafsir kesabaran. Bagi mereka, bila seseorang tidak marah, tidak meninggikan suara dan tidak melawan, itu tanda semuanya baik-baik saja. Hakikatnya, bagi orang Malaysia, kesabaran selalunya datang bersama pengorbanan perasaan. Kita dibesarkan untuk menjaga harmoni, untuk tidak memalukan orang lain, untuk tidak menyusahkan keadaan, maka ramai memilih untuk senyum walaupun hati tidak tenang, diam walaupun ada soalan, mengalah walaupun rasa tidak adil. Pelancong juga sering keliru dengan sikap tak apa orang Malaysia. Mereka dengar ayat itu dan fikir masalah sudah selesai. Padahal, tak apa di Malaysia boleh bermaksud banyak perkara. Letih untuk jelaskan, tak mahu panjang cerita atau sekadar ingin mengelakkan konflik. Untuk makluman penonton, sebahagian visual atau klip yang dipaparkan dalam video ini digunakan sebagai bahan sokongan penceritaan dan ulasan umum selaras dengan prinsip fair use. Hak cipta kekal sepenuhnya milik pemilik asal. Selain itu, pelancong sering menyangka orang Malaysia tidak mengambil berat tentang masa kerana kita kelihatan santai. Sebenarnya, Kita cuma lebih mementingkan hubungan manusia berbanding jadual yang terlalu ketat. Kita lambat bukan kerana tidak peduli, tetapi kerana ada perkara lain yang kita anggap lebih penting. Berbual, bertanya khabar, menjaga perasaan. Dan satu lagi perkara besar yang sering tidak difahami, orang Malaysia jarang menunjuk apa yang mereka tanggung. Kita ketawa di luar, tetapi menyimpan banyak di dalam. Kita bantu orang lain, walaupun diri sendiri belum tentu kuat.
Good evening, Malaysia. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Man, I just want to know something. What makes you all in Malaysia so welcoming? There has to be something. Like, the way I see it is like there's something about either your culture or your religion, but you all are just so happy, very welcoming. You know, I can see it in the comments, I can see it in your daily smile. I think it's just a wonderful thing, to be honest, though, because, man, there's so much sadness in the world, and there's you guys, man, just, you know, being happy, being humble, you know, always caring, always just showing love, and just emitting that good frequency, man. You guys are really good, man. You're something, man. Malaysia, man, I love you guys, man. You good, man. You got my love. Peace. Let's go.
People from Malaysia, are you the friendliest people in the world? Because I'm on a morning walk by myself, and I must have passed about 30 people, maybe more, doing the same thing, having a coffee, having a stroll, having a jog, and not one person hasn't said hello. Not one person hasn't smiled, hasn't said good morning. Like, how lovely is that? In England, you just don't get that on a walk. Like, people try to avoid other people, whereas here, just so friendly. I love it. It's lush.
Orang Malaysia bukan sekadar ramah. Kita adalah bangsa yang banyak menyesuaikan diri. Kita belajar hidup bersama perbezaan. Belajar mengalah demi keamanan. Belajar senyum supaya suasana tidak retak. Pelancong asing mungkin jatuh cinta pada keramahan kita. Tetapi untuk benar-benar memahami orang Malaysia, mereka perlu faham satu perkara. Senyuman kita bukan tanda tiada beban, tetapi tanda kita memilih untuk tidak membebankan orang lain. Dan mungkin, disitulah keindahan dan cabaran menjadi orang Malaysia. Kita kuat dalam diam. Kita sabar dalam senyum. Kita jaga orang lain walaupun diri sendiri terlupa dijaga. Dan persoalannya, kalau orang luar hanya melihat senyuman kita, siapa pula yang benar-benar faham apa yang kita simpan?
My name is Tim Sharp, and since I
Brother, come say, brother, come.
and since I arrived in Malaysia, I've been called all sorts of names.
Macam.
Oh, no, it's Tim. Hi, Subang?
Ya, bang.
Oh, no, Subang.
Boleh, bang.
Oh, no, Subang.
Ya, bang.
大哥，江水。
What did he say?
Brother, boiling water.
What's matcha?
Brother-in-law.
Bang?
Elder brother.
So you call strangers family.
Yes. If not, we all be strangers.
So I've started some name calling of my own.
Ane, roti telur. Nah, benar nak seorang, Mas?
Makcik, berapa ringgit?
RM2 sayang.
It's okay. They don't mind.
Auntie, uncle, Josan.
Oh, 我個後生叫我 Andy。
We're family.